How to fix GTA 4 graphics resource usage issue. Now in this video, I'm going to help you fixing on GTA 4 graphics resource usage issue. It's very, very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to locate the main folder or the main file of your GTA game. This is usually located at this PC or onto your local disk C. But in my case, I have it on my local disk E. Pull up your Grand Theft Auto 4 main folder. And then from here, just simply locate the GTA 4 launcher. Right click it, choose on show more options, and then choose on create shortcut. Now, once the shortcut has been created, right click, go back and show more options and go into properties. Now, as you can see, there is a specific code on a target. What you want to have to type in here is going to be this command. Copy and paste this. It's gonna be dash available vidmen space 4096 space dash no mem restrict and then followed by the rest. Simply copy all of this like so and then go back into this tab right here in the file path, have it pasted and choose on apply. And once you've done that, you're gonna have to play the game with the shortcut that you have created always. And that's it. That's how you fix GTA 4 graphics resource usage issue.